Tailscale versus Headscale, which is honestly better. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you a comparison between Tailscale and Headscale to help you decide which one is better for your needs. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to know is Tailscale is best for ease of use and cloud integration. Over here, it provides automatic setup, SSO authentication, and cross-platform support. However, it requires a centralized server and has a limited free tier. After that, let's talk about Headscale. Over here, it is best for privacy and self-hosting. It allows full control of your network without reliance on external services, but it requires manual setup and technical knowledge. Then, let's go over which one to choose over here. Pick Tailscale if you need a simple cloud-managed VPN alternative with automatic NAT traversal. Choose Headscale if you want a self-hosted, privacy-focused alternative with no recurring cost. So that's the comparison between Tailscale and Headscale. That's all for this video.